Sixth problem. By selling a speaker for rupees 768, a man loses 20 percentage. In order to gain 20 percentage, how much should he sell the speaker? Here it's given. What are the things given? Selling a speaker for rupees 768. He is selling the price for speaker for rupees 768. So SP of a speaker is rupees 768. How much he lose there? 20 percentage. So that loss is 20 percentage. Here we want to find, in order to gain 20 percentage, how much should he sell the speaker? For this we want to find the cost price of this amount here. The selling price is 768. That loss is 20%. According to these two, we want to find the cost price of them. Then only we have to calculate for this gain of 20%. Okay, so let me calculate the CP now. For this CP, we have the formula that SP loss is given. Loss and SP is given. We have the formula for SP. From this, we want to find the value of CP. Okay, so substitute all the values here. That SP is 768 equal to CP we want to find, so keep as it is, into 100 minus that last percentage is 20 percentage divided by 100. So 768 equal to CP into 80 by 100. So we want to find CP here, isn't it? So CP equal to this 768 into 100 by 80. Can cancel here and here. So if we multiply, we can get 7680 by 8. This is nothing but rupees 960. So we have CP is rupees 960. Put rupees for this. Here we have to put rupees. Okay. And then what we want to find, in order to gain 20 percentage, how much should he sell the speaker? Again we want to get the gain. If gain is given, what is the formula for finding SP here? That SP equal to CP into 100 plus gain percentage divided by 100. So SP is, we want to find this SP, isn't it? So we can have this as it is there. So CP we found already here, 960 into 100 plus gain percentage is 20. 20 divided by 100. So 960 into 120 by 100. We can cancel 0 and 0, and here we can cancel. So we will get the amount as rupees 1152 rupees. So this is the selling price to get gain 20% here. Okay. Seventh problem. Here it is given mark price, selling price and discount. Okay. Here mark price of a book is rupees 225 and selling price is rupees 8. Rupees X. And discount is given. The discount is nothing but 8 percentage. Here discount percentage is given, that is 8 percentage. We want to find the unknown. Unknown is nothing but this X. That X is nothing but SP. We want to find the value of SP, that amount of SP. So we can have the formula for SP. SP equal to, always we will put CP here. Here it is given as mark price. So we have to write mark price into 100 and discount is given. Discount, loss are both the same only there here. So we can consider this as last year. So divided by 100. So that mark price is nothing but 225, isn't it? So 225 into 100 minus 8 is 92 divided by 100. So if you simplify this, we will get rupees 207. So this is SP. That is nothing but X. The unknown X is nothing but rupees 207. Okay. Second division of seventh problem. Here it's given mark price of the LED TV is rupees Y. And SP of this LED TV is rupees 11,970. And discount is 5%. We want to find the value of Y. That means mark price of Y here. Okay. And if selling price, we know the formula for selling price. The one and only formula. We are using the same formula for all the problems here. If loss or discount is given, we have to subtract that. Okay. So the same formula we want to use here. That SP equal to mark price. CP, that means here it is mark price into 100 minus this percentage divided by 100. Just nothing but how much the selling price here? 11,970 equal to mark price we want to find here. That is nothing but Y. So we can write this as Y here into 100 minus this 100 minus 5 is nothing but 95% divided by 100. Here I want to find the value of Y, isn't it? So take these two numbers as reciprocal to the other side. So we can write this as 11,970 into 100 by 95. Just nothing but Y here. Okay. So if we simplify this, we will get this. So Y is nothing but rupees 12,600. It's nothing but mark price of the LED TV here. Okay.